eti. Mo ti jẹun. Now, there's a difference between I have eaten, mo ti jẹun, and I ate. Now, what is the difference? Tell me that in Yoruba. I ate. Kí ni I ate? Ate, you're very good. Eating cookies. We have eaten cookies. Mm-hmm. 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 Now it says we have eaten two, two cookies. We have eaten. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. A ti jẹ cookies méjì. A ti jẹ cookies méjì. You just sounded like a Yoruba babe now. Now you take it again. She has bought. She has bought. What is she has bought? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Wọ́n ti rà. Wọ́n ti ra bàtà méjì. Now she says she bought two shoes. She bought two shoes. There's a difference. Understand the sentence. She bought two shoes. Mm-hmm. Wọ́n ra bàtà méjì. Can you see? Kúṣẹ́. So, so, ẹ kúṣẹ́ o. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Do you have anything to say? Any question? Ṣé ní ìbéèrè? Rárá. How do we say thank you to your mates? Oshe. How do we say thank you to an adult? Eshe. How do we say good evening to an adult? Ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́. Now, how do we say good evening to your mates? Kú ìrọ̀lẹ́. Now, how do we say good night in the night? Like, oh, ẹ káalẹ́, that is good evening in the night. And how do we say good morning? Ẹ káàárọ̀. I am sorry. You want to apologize? Ẹ má bínú. Now, how do we say sorry? You want to sympathize with someone? Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́. Ẹ má bínú. Ẹ ṣeun. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́. Now, we have come to the end of today's class. So now, ẹ ṣé o, mo dúpẹ́ o. Olúwa ló ṣe o. Ó dàbọ̀ o. Ó dàbọ̀ o.